Hi French community, bonjour, that's about as much French as I can speak. So yeah, we're at WordCamp Europe here, which is really nice to have an in-person event again and to meet so many new friends and old friends and stuff like that. They asked me to say something about what I think the future of plugins is. I kind of think that the future of plugins is, well, for us it's very important to always keep contributing as well next to building our plugin. So our plugin will obviously still be state-of-the-art, and we'll work with Google, updates and be the first to respond to that, and that'll be awesome. But I think it's very important for people to realize that we also contribute to WordPress a lot, and we do that because we think that WordPress should be growing. So I think the future of plugins is very dependent on the future of WordPress, and that's what we focus on as well, to make sure that we're all in this together, and that we're all building this community, but also building the product that we're all using. So I think that's a very important thing to basically take away, and I hope in the coming 5 years that will be something that's taken on by more companies, by more and more companies, to just give back to the community and give back to WordPress as a CMS. So I really hope that for all the plugin builders that have answered this question as well, I hope they will do the same and will step up and you know, hosts as well and other companies to make WordPress the best it can be.